Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the exact same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we are going to take a look at a saying with the word set in them. Why? Because I made it all about set week. Huh? Yeah, I know. I just make these things up. But there are a lot of sayings in the English language that contain the word set, S-E-T. Set can be a verb, set can be a noun. Oh, for example, set the verb. Set that dish right over there. Go place it right over there. Then we have set, meaning a group of things. Would you like this set of dishes? This group of dishes? You could play a set of tennis. You could be a band and play a set, a group of songs. See, that's a lot of set. Now, today's saying is set one's teeth on edge. What does that mean, set one's teeth on edge? Here are my teeth. Here are the edge of my teeth. But I'm really not going to set anything on the edge of my teeth, or am I going to hold any edge of anything in my mouth? But it really has nothing to do with that. No, my friend. To set one's teeth on edge means to irritate or cause intense or extreme annoyance. Oh, to really bug somebody. That's another word for annoying, to bug. Got it? Let's use it in a sentence. Oh my goodness, did you hear him scream? Yeah, I heard him scream. It really set me on my teeth on edge. Oh, okay. Or, you ever have nails go down a chalkboard? That noise can set one's teeth on edge. Now, why do we use set one's teeth on edge to mean we're just really, really annoyed? I don't know, but now you can read and understand and maybe use this sentence, I hope. The sound of a dentist drill sets my teeth on edge. What? Come on, English. What sets your teeth on edge? Leave it in the comments. Let me ask again. What sets your teeth on edge? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.